Alright, so I picked up this 2006 CR 450R. Needs work. Gonna restore it. It's not minor work, it's a hell of work, bro. You see what I'm talking about? Yeah. But yeah, it's my bike. Gonna take y'all on this journey as to how I rebuild this 450. Needs a new piston too. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, that's definitely shot. But yeah, it's got on the new front fender number plate. I don't know from what your bike it is from, but yeah, that's the only thing that's new on this bike. Nothing else. That's a nice bike. I've ridden it before. It blew up. Yeah, it's real nice. But yeah, stay tuned.